You can easily request support for part information through the company you registered with in ECAT10. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open the part image for which you would like to create a support request. Then, click the Request Support button located in the top right corner of the image. This will take you to the support request screen. On the screen that appears, you will see the details of your request listed on the left-hand side. Using your cursor, mark the area on the image where you need assistance. At this stage, you can select up to 4 different areas. Once you have completed the marking, enter your message in the relevant field. If needed, you can also attach up to 3 files to your request. After making sure all the information is complete, click the Submit Support Request button to send your request. If you wish to cancel the process, you can click the Cancel button to return to the previous screen. When your request is answered, you will receive a notification via email. Now, let's take a look at how you can track your requests. Click on the My Support Requests button on the home page to open the request screen. Here, you can view all your requests and their current status. The display options include Pending, requests that have not yet been viewed; Answered, requests that have been viewed and responded to; Read, requests that have been viewed but not yet responded to. When you click on any request, the relevant image, part number, and group information will be displayed on the right-hand side. Any files you have attached, as well as any attachments included in the response, will also be listed in this area. You can click the corresponding button to view these files. Finally, you can evaluate the responses you receive. Use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to rate the response from 1 to 5.